Let's take a look at how to configure your Mac to use the Python command instead of Python 3. This is an optional step because you can always just type in Python 3 to run anything in Python. The reason that we have to run Python 3 instead of Python is that Mac has Python 2 installed generally. But Python 2 is no longer supported, so we install Python 3. But you still have to use the Python 3 command. If you would just like to use the Python command, currently it says command not found, or it will run Python 2. So in order to get around this, what we're going to do is we're going to first see where Python 3 is installed. To do that, we type in where space Python 3. Now mine has two different options here because I have Python 3 installed two different ways, but you probably will just have this homebrew version installed. So you can take this top line, copy it, and then the second thing that we need to know is what your profile is. And what profile is, that is your shell. So up here you see that it says ZSH command not found. So there's two different types of shells. There's ZSH and there's bash. If we type in echo $shell, all caps and with the space after echo, then you'll see that my shell is ZSH. The other one is bash, B-A-S-H. So these are just two different languages that you can use to talk to your computer. Macs generally come installed with ZSH now, and so that's probably what you're going to use. If it says bash instead though, you're going to type in nano.bash_profile and hit enter. If you see ZSH, you're going to type in nano space .zshrc and hit enter. Now, this just opens up a configuration file that tells ZSH or bash a few different things. You don't need to worry about it too much. If you have anything in here, make sure not to edit it at all. But you're going to come down to the bottom of the file, and then you're going to type in alias space Python equals and paste in that path that we copied before. Now, if you hit Control X, it'll ask you if you want to save, and you'll hit Y, and you'll see that the file name that you're writing is .zshrc. Make sure that it says that, hit enter, or if you are in bash, that it's .bash_profile. And now if you open up a new tab or window, you should be able to type in Python, and it will open up Python 3.10.6 currently, though that could change in the future. So that's how you can get Python, the command Python, to work to run Python 3.